channel Gayatri Elite Videos. In previous video I have explained few concepts. Remaining concepts today I am going to teach. The concepts which I am going to cover today: credit, two different credit situations, collateral, terms of credit, cheap and affordable credit is crucial for economic development, types of credit, SHG, Gramina Bank of Bangladesh. The first concept is credit and two different credit situations. Credit refers to a loan and it is an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money in return for the promise of future payment. Or we can say like this also, credit is nothing but taking the loan from money lenders or from the banks with the promise of future payment. In your textbook given two different credit situations. One is the story of Salim and one more is the story of Swapna. In story of Salim, a shoe manufacturer who got an opportunity to manufacture 3000 pair shoes from a large trader. And even he got an advance. In that advance, he hired the laborers, he purchased the raw materials. At the end of the month, he manufactured all the 3000 pair shoes and he delivered to the large trader. So in this case, he gained the profit. Next story is the story of Swapna. Swapna is a small farmer having small size of land holding. So she has taken the loan from money lender to cultivate the crops, but unfortunately crops failed due to pest. So to cover the previous loan, she thought of selling land. Here clearly we can understand that she fell in debt trap. So whereas in case of Salim, credit plays a vital role, positive role, whereas in case of Swapna, credit pushes the borrower into the situation out of which the recovery is very difficult and very painful. In rural areas, for what purpose the people will go for credit? Especially for crop production, to purchase machinery, even for irrigation system, seeds, chemicals, fertilizers, water supply, electricity. So the people will go for credit for all these purpose. Next concept is collateral. Collateral is an asset. It may be a vehicle or it may be gold or cattle or property, showing as a guarantee until the loan is repaid. If the borrower unable to repay, then the lender has the right to sell his property. What are terms of credit then? Collateral, interest rate, mode of repayment, documentation requirement. All these are necessary whenever the people will approach the bank to take the loan. Next concept is types of credit. There are two types of credit. One is formal source of credit and one more is informal source of credit. Under formal source of credit, taking the loan from banks as well as cooperatives, rules and regulations will be followed, interest rate will be low, collateral is required, and Reserve Bank of India supervises all the functioning of formal sector of loans. Under informal source of credit, taking the loan from money lenders, friends as well as relatives. In this, collateral is not required, no rules and regulations will be followed, the rate of interest will be very high. Most of the people in rural areas, they will approach the informal sector because of lack of collateral. How can we say that the cheap and affordable credit is crucial for country's development? When the banks will provide loan at low rate of interest, this will be helpful for many people to take up the self-employment opportunities. They can improve their standard of living. Even they can purchase the raw materials which are required for the crop production as well for manufacturing of variety of goods. They can set up small scale and cottage industries so that they can lead their life without any difficulty. Next concept is SHG, self-help group. This program is mainly practiced in rural areas, especially by women. How many members will be there? Here only 15 to 20 members. How much they are going to pool, save the amount 25 to 100 rupees. So in this SHG, the members can take the small loans at low rate of interest. After 2 or 3 years experience of this SHG, eligible to take the loan directly from the bank at low rate of interest. So due to this SHG, many people avoid falling from debt trap. At the same time, the people can take up the self-employment opportunity and started many small business. Last concept is Gramina Bank of Bangladesh. These banks played a very important role in providing loan to the poor people at low rate of interest. It was introduced in the year 1970. Later it expanded in many villages and the founder of this Gramina Bank, Professor Muhammad Yunus. And next video I am going to share most important expected questions and MCQs for your board exam. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you all.